Hello again. This is Chetwin from the Hungry Explorers team, and today I will be presenting our Milestone 3 video. Let's begin. Don't know what to watch? YouTube compiles recommended video content just for you. Don't know what music to listen to? Spotify creates recommended playlists just for you. Don't know what to shop for? Shopee shows you products recommended just for you. So when you don't know what to eat, who's gonna be there for you? No doubt, existing platforms such as Chope, Burple, and food review blogs like Chef Louis have a large database of information just waiting for you to browse through them to find the perfect restaurant. But do they know you like we do? Can they give you personalized restaurant recommendations like we can? We don't think so. Lucky for you, we got that covered. No longer will you need to constantly think of where and what to eat. No longer will you need to search through tons of information on various platforms just to find the perfect restaurants. Because with machine learning, we know your dining patterns better than you know them yourselves. Introducing the Hungry Explorers. Get ready, because your next food adventure just got a whole lot easier. Let's head over to our deployed web application. After registering an account or logging in, you will be brought to your dailies page. This is the page where the magic happens. The 9 images you see on the screen represent your personalized restaurants. They are categorized into 3 categories. You can hover over the information icon below each of the titles of each category to find out what they mean. As with all machine learning based recommender systems, we learn your patterns through analyzing your interactions with this application. So the more you interact with the application, the more data we have to predict and provide personalized recommendations. Note the titles of these restaurants in the top category. We will later use this to demonstrate how user interactions will change their preferences and recommendations. Now let's proceed to learn more about our recommended restaurant. Over in the restaurant profile page, a user can view the full details of a restaurant. A user can even choose to review the restaurant immediately if they have been there before, or if not, to bookmark it and save it for a later date. A user can then view his bookmarked restaurants under the bookmark tab in his profile page. After a user actually dines at the bookmarked restaurant, he can then click on it to review it. By creating a review on the restaurant, not only is the user helping us help them provide more personalized recommendations, but they are also contributing to our community where foodies share information through reviews so that others can make more informed decisions about dining options. So let's go ahead and create a bad review for this restaurant and see how the recommendations react to it. Now observe that the restaurant recommendations have changed. This is because we just had a bad experience at a restaurant, so the algorithm changes to factor in decreased interest in terms and qualities associated to that restaurant we reviewed. Now let's move on to the reviews page. This page contains all publicly submitted reviews by users in our community. If a user chooses not to proceed with our recommendations, they can also source for inspiration by scrolling through reviews created by other users. Finally, if users choose to manually search for restaurant titles or filter out restaurants with multiple keywords, they can do so by going to our restaurant database. Just input a title and select from the list, or they can select keywords from our filter criteria and hit filter, where they can click on any of the results that will bring them to that restaurant's profile page. This video covered the core features of our application, but there's still so much more that we hope to see you explore and interact with. Thank you for watching.